This is a hurricane update, so dangerous one. So as you know, this is a very dangerous hurricane. And the worst part of all, it's moving slowly. That's why we're here, probably about right here, I think. Yeah, move here. So where it's going to hit here. This is already in a hurricane warning. And look at all of this hurricane's causing. This wall line's still here. These storms. I don't know what this is coming from. And this is, you know, this is from meter. But these all are dangerous storms, so I can tell you. So this has now been turned down to a Category 3, which is good, but it's still a major hurricane. And by tomorrow's probably will be up here or here. And probably by tomorrow's probably will be Category 4 again. And so for its winds probably like 100 miles an hour. And it's dangerous. You can't see the iron necklace is like invisible. There's the eye. You can see the eye little. Oh, that's not normal. This is not the eye. Load. Sorry, it's taking a while. Oh, not stuck over me. Glitch. Double. I have a broke. Trying to zoom out. No. There we go. Let's see if we get a better view of this hurricane. I still can't see the eye. But if it's a Category 5, we can really see the eye. Let's see if we can get to Typhoon. Oh wow, I got hit by hurricanes too twice last year. Okay, I think this is the Typhoon right here, I'm not sure. Or the hurricane still. Typhoon's still a hurricane. This Typhoon caused us a move. I'm not sure which one, but there was a, there's Japan. Japan, so hurricane capital around here somewhere. But there's a hurricane somewhere around here that's hiding right now in all of this storm. So Hear this? Do this. This is category 5, this is category 3. That's his blizzard somehow. There's a blizzard right there. It's dangerous. We're popping everywhere. There's working right here too. Right here. Not sure what that is. Also, a hurricane somewhere around here too. So, bye.